In this video, we're going to walk through the steps as a student to sign up for office hours using the Cisco WebEx application. To begin, make sure you locate the course that you would like to sign up for office hours in. Once you're inside of that course, on the left-hand side, find Cisco WebEx. Now in your course, it might be a different location than it is in this video, so just make sure you look for Cisco WebEx. When you find the link, click on it, and it will bring you to the Cisco WebEx page. From this location, select Office Hours from the tabs at the top. Find the office hour that you'd like to sign up for. Then scroll to the bottom and make sure you click Confirm Meeting. Once you do that, a meeting message will be sent to you and your teacher confirming the meeting date, and then you can join using the link that's emailed to you. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.